kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Come on, Artie and Mikey. It's right up here, boys.
I can't wait.
We're gonna learn and have fun.
Is this the Discovery Children's Museum?
Sure is, and you discovered it.
We're here to learn how to put on a play. Can you tell us where to go?
Down the hall, stage right.
Yay!
Ugh, puppets. Ugh.
Wow, this room's so arty.
Wow, it's so big.
It's very colorful.
Hi, I'm Louie. I'm here to help you produce your theater play.
Weren't you just at the front desk?
I wear many hats around here. Actually, I don't like hats. They mess up my hairdo. You, kid, what's your name?
I'm Artie.
Right, Artie, you're going to play the King of Discovery.
Yay!
And you, Brush, what's your name?
Well, excuse me, how rude. Don't you know I'm a fine sable?
Whatever, you're going to help this kid to design the costume for the king. Okay with you, kid?
My name's Dylan.
Okay, got it. Well, don't dilly-dally, Dylan. Okay, you, marker pen.
The name's Mikey Marker. Don't wear it out.
Okay, well, go and make your mark with this kid, Dylan.
I'm not Dylan, I'm Dexter.
What? I'm seeing double. I've got to get new glasses.
He's my brother, Louie Pooey.
Oh, well, one of you go with the marker pen and help him design the backdrop for the theater stage. Okie dokie, are you ready?
Yeah!
Then let's go! How's the costume design going?
It's going great, and the outfit looks beautiful.
It does.
Costumes are an important part of putting on a play.
They sure are. Well, keep chilling, Dylan. Are you practicing your royal moves, Artie?
I prefer your Royal Highness.
Wow, he's really getting into this role. Hi, guys. How are the backdrops coming?
It's going good. We added this river and some of these trees.
That's a splashy idea, Dexter.
Sure is. Add texture, Dexter.
Will do.
Okay, guys, let's go down to the theater and put on our play. Walk this way. Oh. Coming in. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and puppets, welcome to a story as old as time itself. Well, actually, as old as about 10 minutes ago when we came up with it. In a kingdom called Discovery reigned a strong and mighty king who often... Not yet, kid. This is my moment. Go on. Off.
Come on. Get on with it.
Okay, okay. Hark! I hear the king he doth approach.
Hello, citizens of Discovery. What entertainment dost thou have for me today?
Your Royal Highness, may I present to you with some beautiful poetry, Lady Betty Brush of Brushshire.
Yay!
King Artie loves to paint and draw, creating beauty, leaving us in awe. His art makes the kingdom sing. A joyful, creative artist king.
Give it up for Lady Barbara Brush.
It's Betty.
Okay, moving right along. It's time for the Kingdom's Joker. Here's Mikey.
Oh, wait, that's me. Hey, everybody, thanks for coming out. When is a king like a piece of wood?
We don't know.
When he's a ruler. What's a king's favorite weather? Hail.
Well, thank you very much, Marky Micah. Very droll, very
It's
droll.
Mikey, and I'm not done yet.
Well, you're losing them, kid.
Okay, two queens walk into hey!
Sorry about that, Your Royal Highness. Well, what a great show. There's only one thing left now. Dance break!
Okay, there's only one thing left to do. Let's go play in the museum.
Yay!
I knew I was nobility. I guess puppets aren't so bad after all.